Click on this subscribe button to watch more videos on my YouTube channel. To get latest notifications and updates about my videos, click on this bell icon. Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain about the basic modify commands in Auto-Cad. Already explained the basic commands. This is the basic modifying commands. For example, I explained the circle and the line commands in my previous tutorials, and some other commands I explained. In this video I cover up all the different types of modify commands what are available in the Auto-Cad. I will explain you. I'm using the 2016 software. This is the view of the 2016 software like this. I will explain you. First, go into the command line. I am using the rectangle command. REC enter rectangle, specify first center point or the chamfer elevation, fillet and thickness width. These are the options it is showing. First rectangle, specify other point and the first point and end point, drag like this and specify the other corner point and give the dimension, de-enter, and rectangle, specify length for the rectangles. It asking, give the rectangle of length is 200 and the width is 100. Then the one of the rectangle is formed on the screen. You can observe on the screen. This is the one of the rectangle is completed by this method. I'm checking the dimension by using the linear operations in the annotation toolbar, and the 200 and the 100. These are the dimensions. By using the rectangle, specify the first corner point at the chamfer elevation, fillet and thickness width. Next I want to give the chamfer and the rectangle chamfer distance for the rectangles. It asking the how much chamfer distance you want. I'm giving the 5 and the 5 on the both sides, and go onto the screen and drag the rectangle on the first point and second point and give the dimension, de-enter, and the 200 and the 100, and the one of the 200 in the 100 of rectangle, height of 200, 100 width of another rectangle is completed. See the chamfer distance on the both side is 5. By checking the dimension by using the linear, the 200 and the 100 is the dimension. Observe on the screen. Then the chamfer distance is 5 on the length. On the width side is showing the slant distance is 7. If you want to check the distance, it is showing on the 5 and 5 mm. This is the one of the chamfer type model to form one of the rectangle by using these commands. Rectangle command, different types of options are there to develop the different types of rectangles you can form by using this command, rectangle command. Again I'm using the REC enter rectangle command. Shortcut is REC. I'm giving the REC enter, and next I want to give the fillet. Next I will explain the thickness and the width, and the fillet I want to F enter and specify the fillet radius or rectangles it is asking. I am giving the 5. The rectangle specify other point, and rectangle specify give the 200 and the 100, same as previous, the 200 distance and the 100 distance. One of the circle is completed. On the both sides the fillet radius is formed by on the radius of 5. You can observe on the by using the radius, checking the radius is 5 mm. See, all dimensions 7 mm only. Already explained about the introduction to Auto-Cad in my previous tutorials. And the command, again I want to give the rectangle thickness and the width is there. I am giving the thickness th like this. Any of the shortcut you give. Rectangle specify thickness, I am giving the 5 thickness, and see the thickness is not form. I will give the width. I will explain you the width and the rectangle and give the width and give the width of 5 mm. See, the thickness is increased, the thickness of the line is increased, 200 into 100 dimension, de-enter. Then one of the rectangle is completed with the thickness of 5 mm. You can observe on the screen 200 dimensions. All the dimensions are completed. And the fillet, already you in the before you give the fillet radius, then only it is showing the fillet also of the radius 5. I will give you how to remove this fillet before you proceed to the first option. First go into the rectangle and see, this is forming like this. Again you form the rectangle. It is continuing this process in the rectangle. First make the values all the 0, give the thickness to 0, 5 is there, I'm giving the 0, and the width W 0, enter. See, by using the rectangle REC, enter, you can observe on the screen the thickness is removed like this. By this default it is taking the 5 mm. You can remove the, you can edit the values on the rectangle, then the previous options will appear. And by using the rectangle all the features is completed. I want to give the dimensions. By using the rectangle, the fillet option is there. By using the area, by using the rotation, I will explain you the rotation. R, enter. Then see, rectangle specify rotate angle it is asking. I am giving the 150 angle. In the angle position changes, this is the method to form any of the rectangle in the prescribed angle. By using the dimension D, enter, I am giving the 200 and the 100 width. Then one of the rectangle is completed, or the degree of some of the degree I mentioned in the command line. And the align, by using these dimensions I am using the align operation to check the all of the radiuses. Like this you can give the any of the angle you want. You can observe the angle also. I will observing the angle by using the angular option. Check the angle, this is 50 degree. How much you in the below you give the 145 degree, nearly 140 or 135 degree. We'll observe on the screen the 90 plus 50, I think 140 degree. Like this you can give by angles also. You can develop the object in Auto-Cad by using the rectangle command. The rectangle has different options and the different types of rectangles you can form by using the fillet, chamfer with angles with proper dimensions. D, enter. By using the trim, again I want to explain about the trim command. TR double enter, trim, select object. If you want to trim, it asks to select object. I will show you the one of the example about the trim command. First go on to the AutoCAD screen. So I am giving the one of the lines like this with the 2 vertical lines and intersecting with the 2 horizontal lines. I am considering the 2 vertical lines with the 2 horizontal lines intersected. By using the trim command, TR double enter, it is a shortcut. Select the object is asking, TR double enter. Then it asking the fence crossing project edge erase undo. Simply not give the any option. Simply select the where you want to trim. I will explain the other features also in the trim option. See, I am deleting like this. See, I want the middle rectangle only. See, by using the trim method, you want to remove the material. As you wish, you can remove all of the unwanted lines on the screen. I will explain the different types of fence crossing project edge erase undo are there, and is nothing but a control Z. You can perform the operation. I will give the again one of the option. I am giving the fence edge. I want erase undo. You want to erase, simply see, by using trim option also you can erase the object by using the erase, giving on the erase command. See, all of the lines are erased by using the trim option. I simply click on the type of erase option on the trim command, TR double enter. Then I want to give the fence, F enter, and trim specify first fence point. I want to remove this material from this like this. and create one of the part and click on enter. Some of the material is removed by using the fencing option on the trim. Again I want to give the trim and crossing. See, crossing is similar to the first what I explained, that is nothing but a crossing. And again I want to give the trim option, tr double enter. Then project edge arrays undo are there. I'm giving the project a non-user coordinate system and view is there. These are not in the none. You want to give the any of the views and the UCS coordinate system, you can give this by using the anterior project option. Then I want to give the command of tr double enter and I want to give the extend trims. See, if you want to extend trims, it is different from the crossing. Some of the lines are removing, some of the lines are not removed because of the extend. With extend you want to remove the option, you can remove the material. You can also give the no extend option. You can also remove the materials from the by using the trim command. These are the some features, advanced features in the trim command is there. And undo is nothing but a control Z. Already explained the erase command. These are the basic methods to develop the trim option. Again I want to give the extend option, extend command, sorry. I want to explain the extend ex double enter. Then it has the select object, simply selecting the object to extend it to the lines to the one of the vertical line I considered on the right side, onto the left side to the right side. I will extend the lines by using the extend command. Again I want to give the offset command, O enter. In the 20 distance I am offsetting to the all of the lines to 20 distance. I already explained 20 distance I am considering by using the offset option. O enter is the technique. And the linear, I want to check the dimension by using linear 20. Then the lines are completed. Then I want to give the again extend. By using the extend option, all are extended. Like this, you want to extend any of the lines as your wish. According to the drawing, you can perform all the operation. In this video, I covered the rectangle command and the offset command, extend command, trim command in different operations, and the types are also explained. This is the basic